Feeling the heat? Let's find the best air conditioner to keep you cool in 2025. Whether you're looking to chill out a single room or cool your entire home, there's an AC for you. For whole home comfort, central air conditioners or mini splits are your go-to. They're efficient, powerful, and perfect for bigger spaces. Central ACs, like those from Carrier and Goodman, boast reliability and durability. They're great for long-term value. If energy efficiency is your top priority, brands like Lennox and Trane offer high SEER units that save on electricity while keeping you cool. Need targeted cooling? PTAC units and window air conditioners are the way to go. Amana and Goodman have fantastic options here, combining affordability with effective cooling. Perfect for apartments or specific rooms. For the tech-savvy, look no further than smart ACs. Brands like Goodman, Lennox and Trane offer units that sync with your smart home setup, giving you complete control from your phone. It's convenience and comfort rolled into one. So what's your cooling style? Whether it's whole home or room specific, energy efficient or budget friendly, there's an air conditioner out there for you. Ready to beat the heat? Check out our top rated air conditioners for 2025 and find your perfect match.